33 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 4 goes into 3 how many times? 0 times, as 3 is less than 4. So 0 times 4. 0 times 4, 0. Subtract 3, bring down the next digit. 33. 4 goes into 33 how many times? Okay, look, 8 times 32, then 9 times equal to what? Just add 4 with the previous step. 36. Look, 4 goes into 33 how many times? 9 times 36, which is greater? So 8 times, that gives us 32. Write 8 times 4, 32. Subtract 1. So our answer is 08, means 8, remainder 1. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then put here decimal, add number of zeros, bring down the first zero. Before the zero there is a decimal, decimal must come to the quotient directly. 4 goes into 10 how many times? 3 times 12, which is greater, so 2 times. Write 2, 2 times 4, 8. Subtract 2, bring down another 0, 20. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 4 goes into 20, 5 times. So 5 times 4, 20. Subtract 0. So our answer is 8.25.